Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable After Effects template exports for client-ready deliverables, full guide step-by-step clearly. Open After Effects and launch your project. Select the composition you want to export. Navigate to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, hover over Export. Choose Add to Render Queue. In the Render Queue panel, locate the Output Module settings. Click on the blue text next to Output Module. Select your preferred format such as QuickTime or H.264. Make sure to adjust the settings to fit your client's requirements. Next, click on the blue text next to Output to. Choose a location on your computer to save. Rename the file to something client-friendly. Once satisfied, return to the Render Queue panel. Click on the Render button to start the export process. Wait for the export to complete. This may take some time depending on your project size. Check the output file in the location chosen earlier. If needed, perform a test playback to ensure quality meets client standards. If adjustments are required, return to your composition and make the necessary changes. Repeat the export process until the final version is ready. Consider creating a template for future projects to streamline exports. Organize your files systematically for easy access and version control. Now your After Effects exports are ready for client delivery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.